Yeah, okay. Good morning, friends. Now we want to create something like indicator, to put a kind of arrows that will guide you through the price, on the chart. But first of all, we have to go put some kind of let's build our chart first and put some kind of let's say a Kenichi, okay, a Kenichi candlestick on our chart to make it look a little bit, okay, it's okay. And I'm gonna apply the designed icon each also. Okay, I think this is pretty good for the purpose of this video. Okay, then I'm gonna go add some kind of if I can get it, like let's say a kind of let's say I want to add the arrow. Okay, so this arrow I want to add operate with a kind of zigzag. There is operate with a kind of zigzag. Let's see, this one is going to be red color for the up one, green color for the down one. And I want to make this a little bit big. Let's make it big so we can see it properly. Okay, so save it and see what happens. Oh my god, I want this to be red and this to be green. So one thing you have to know about this arrow is that they are so perfect, they don't lie, they don't repent. And you know that anything I talk about, they are things I have used. So you can see even how I'm operating it, how smooth my hand is going. I'm not thinking about anything while doing this. Yeah, this is what I want. This is how it's supposed to look like. You see, so the idea of this type of strategy is that if this says sell, you're going to sell, okay, and your stop loss is going to be below the just sell your stop loss above the arrow back. Okay, that's it. Same here, above the arrow back stop loss and sell. You see, below this arrow stop loss, above this arrow, they don't lie. Okay, that's why I'm sharing this with you. Then for more confirmation after this arrow, zigzag point arrow, after this arrow, we want to add another one that confirms the direction of the arrow, that tells you it's true. In case if you are confused about the arrow, at least for more confirmation, you can you can wait for this one. Okay, this one serve as more confirmation. On this one, this second one, AZZ2 is the name. We operate with zigzag. It's a more confirmation tool for this arrow. Look at, you see what happened? Great. It dropped all these things right here that when you see it, we're going down. We're going down. It gives you a confirmation. And we're going up. Give you confirmation. You're going up. Okay? So if you don't know about some kind of zigzag movement, W and M formation, it's okay. This arrow That's why they are there to guide you. And you know, the second one we just added, okay, confirming for you formation of M and W is guiding you. But this arrow is a great entry to follow. If you follow this arrow and just forget it until you see the next arrow. Okay, now let's say that you want to polish this properly. Although it's okay the way it is right now, it's very okay. Okay, there's no point in doing anything right now to these things. The way it is right now, it's very okay and very perfect. Okay, some people might prefer it this way, just like this, but you know, and some people might say, okay, let me build one more thing that I can see and be sure. Then we want to add one more indicator here. That is going to be a connector. You see, it's going to be a connector. Where is it? AK zigzag one. It's going to be a connector. Okay, that is the one that's going to be a connector. AK zigzag one, and we're going to make it like 12.5. Okay, this 25 setting works with the, let's say, mini trend of the 1 hour time frame. Okay, 10 of the deviation and 5 of the back step. Then you apply it, you know, just apply it, and that's it. Okay, but anyway, I don't like the way it looks so faint. I want to make it something looking like this is it. Is it this one? Is it this one? Okay, let's make it a little bit visible to the eyes, and please, I want to make it like a red line, so you know, so that's okay. A red line is okay, or maybe I make it a yellow for you guys to be able to see it properly. Okay, man, maybe this is great. You understand? It's okay. Now, yeah, to me, I think this is okay. When you follow this type of arrow from here to here, okay, and you jump in from here to here, okay, but you know that for every trend there must be a pullback. All right, that's why from the arrow you see it's gone. It came for a pullback, okay, for a pullback, and then it dropped, okay, because the pullback will make a formation of the W to complete the Gatling, okay. So definitely, if you draw a line here and take this one and draw a line, I think you got something looking like a Gatling. If you do this one, you draw a line here like this, you draw a line here like this, so it's a Gatling formation. Okay, so there must be pullback. For this type of moves, there must be pullback. Look at this one, it's going down. From here, there was a pullback. So from pullback, it's going to bring the biggest leg. So anyway, there's no need to talk too much about these lectures, but you know, the purpose is for the chart. Now let's proceed. Okay, the point is to follow this arrow from one end to the other. You know, one end to the other. If you miss the arrow, you wait for pullback. There will definitely be a pullback. Okay, great. Now, somebody might say, okay, I really want to polish it and make it look better for something I can believe in. Although being this way, it's very safe and very okay. You know, very safe and very okay for people who don't like too much things on the screen. But based on the last video we made, we talked about one kind of channel, zigzag channel. You understand? Zigzag channel we talk about. If we apply, because of the function of that, where is it? The function it has by changing direction. Okay, by changing direction. I think that will be so perfect. This is zigzag channel. I told you you can get this channel mqf5.com. You like it, you go there. Okay, then the setting is gonna be like 25 deviation 10 and the back step of 5. The same setting with the zigzag we did. Okay, and the same setting with the last video. Let's make this one blue, and this one is 10, and sorry, this one is gonna be blue, and this one is gonna be 10, and this one is gonna be like maybe 7, default red, no touching that, and then we apply it. Now this is what happens when we apply that. How can I zoom it? This is what happens. Okay, bounce on the red, boom, going down. Okay, it bounced on the red, it's going down. Okay, it rallied down. So if this channel detects a down now, this channel will change direction. I'm running out of time right now, but let me show you something on the 15-minute time frame. If I run out of time, sorry if the video is not complete. Look at the 15-minute time frame. The channel is down. Okay, the channel is guiding you right now with all these arrows properly guiding you, telling you a lot of things about the fact that the trend has changed into a down direction. Okay, now we have rallied for one arrow from here. We got here to the next arrow. Now this channel was up, facing up at that moment, but there was a rally down and rally back, which is a retracement. But then this arrow, this channel changed direction, detecting a downward move. Which means what? Which means that you can use this strategy of this chart exactly the way I have built it to follow any time frame, maybe only one pair, up and down, on and on. Okay, because this will help you beginners to stay away from the market confusion where you jump from one pair to the other, and there's no need to jump into any time frame for analysis, because this has analyzed, all this arrow have analyzed the market for you. All these things, they have analyzed your market. All you need to do is just look at the arrow. You can use the arrow to jump in and follow it to the next arrow, or you can wait for your channel to turn around and you follow the direction of your channel. There's nothing. This chart, when you look at, even when you see this one, is telling you we are going down, that the price will never pass this level. Look, price will never pass this level, even if there's a retracement. Price will never pass this level. That is, this at the level. Price will never pass this level. So I hope I did a little bit good job here for you guys. So if you want to see the little bit more of this video, you can go to my website. I'll put the link below this video. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. Thank you.